ArtStartGo. In this video, we will draw a cherry with colored pencil. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe now for more videos on how to draw and create art. Outline the stem of the cherry with true green. The red colors for the cherry fruit are black cherry, crimson red, scarlet lake, and poppy red. Dark green was used for the dark areas of the stem, and apple green was used for the highlights. Both colors were then blended with true green. Black cherry was used for some of the darker areas of the fruit, while building up toward the brighter reds in the lighter areas. In a few spots, white was used to help brighten areas that would be the highlights. As I make new videos, I want to share them with you, so subscribe now. Also comment, like, and check out some of the other content on our channel.